Hi, it's Fiestaro. Okay, so choose a pile. Okay, choose a pile. So ang tanong, magbabalik ba? Babalikan ka ba niya? Yan ang tanong ha, babalikan ka ba niya? So mamili kayo ha. Meron tayong 3 tarot decks. Okay? Okay. Pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Okay? So pili muna kayo. Kung kailangan yung i-post yung video, do it. Okay? Para makapili kayo. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, ang tanong, magbabalik ba siya? Babalikan ka ba niya? Okay? So, yeah. Wait lang ha. Okay. So, this is for pile 1. Okay. So, timestamp na lang po dyan yung mga yes. Yung mga mahilig tumulong na mag-timestamp. Okay. So, pile number 1. So, ito yung kanyang deck. Okay. Question. Babalikan ka ba niya? Magbabalik ba siya? Tingnan natin. Okay. Magbabalik ba? Babalikan ka ba? May nalaglag. Hindi ko kukunin. Napakadami. Okay. Babalikan ka ba niya? Pile 1. Okay. Babalikan ka ba niya? Pile 1. Okay. The 7 of coins. The 7 of cups in reverse. So, that is, pwedeng ikaw pa rin yung gusto nito. Yeah, ikaw pa rin. Pwedeng lumalabas ka sa panaginip ng taong to. Pwedeng Pisces, pwedeng water sign. Okay? Yeah, Pisces. Okay, the moon in reverse. Pwedeng lumalabas ka nga sa panaginip niya. Okay, and the Knight of Wands. Okay, so there's attraction. Gusto ka pa rin ng taong to hanggang ngayon. Okay, pero hindi pa nasasagot kung babalikan ka ba or what. 7 of Cups, please, in reverse. The 8 of Swords. So, I think wala siyang action, no? They feel stuck. Okay, what's with the Moon in reverse? Babalikan ka ba, pile 1? The 6 of Swords. Okay. What's with the Knight of Wands? What's with the Knight of Wands? The Judgment. In reverse. And at the bottom of the deck is the Ace of Coins in reverse. Okay. So, ang nakikita ko rito, kahit gusto ka, wala silang gagawin. Uusad sila, hindi nila pipiliing bumalik. Okay? So, it's a no. It's a no. Mangyayari dito, magiging missed opportunity na lang yung inyo. Okay? So, yun po ang sagot ko para sa pile 1. So, wait lang po ha. Para sa pile 2. Okay. So, pile 2. Okay. Ang tanong, babalik ba siya? Babalikan ka ba niya? Okay. So, ito ang kanyang deck. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Pile 2. Magbabalik ba siya? Babalikan ka ba niya? Pile 2. Okay. Just think of your person. Babalikan ka ba niya? Pile 2. Babalikan ka ba niya? Babalik ba siya? Okay. The 5 of chalices in reverse. Okay. Death. Actually, gusto nito makipag-ayos. Yeah. But yes, yung iba rito gusto mong, like, gusto may mangyari kakaiba. May gustong gawing bago. Okay? Yeah, the 2 of chalices in reverse. Okay. Ano tong 5 of chalices? Some of them, talagang pinipili yung mag-move on. Okay? What's with the 5 of chalices in reverse? The Queen of Swords. They are being detached and cold. Okay, ano tong Death? What's with the Death? Pwedeng Scorpio. Justice. Okay. What's with the Two of Chalices in reverse? For pile 2, magbabalik ba siya? The Two of Chalices in reverse. The World. Okay. So, pile 2. Nakakakuha ako rito ng energy na pwedeng sabihin nating makipag-ayos, magbigay ng closure. Okay? Pero hindi na para i-repeat yung inyong tawag doon, relasyon. Okay? May tension dito. Sa ngayon, parang hindi siya ready. Okay? This is closure for some of you. This is closure. The Justice, the World. Okay? So, nandito rin si Two of Chalices in reverse, Death, and the Five of Chalices. So, nandito yung energy ng moving on. Pwedeng makakuha yung iba rito ng closure. Okay? This is ending totally. So, ang sagot ko para sa pile number 2 is closure. Merong messages dito, pakikipag-ayos, pero this is closure. So, it's a no. Walang pagbabalik na manggagaling. Okay? Sa kanila. Okay? So, yeah. Ayusin ko lang yung kay pile number 3. So, wait lang. Okay. Hi, pile 3. Okay. So, ito yung inyo. So, ito yung kanyang tarot. Okay. So, dyan ka muna. So, ang tanong, pile 3, babalik ba siya? Babalikan ka ba niya? Yan. Okay. So, think. Okay. Isipin mo si person. Habang sinashuffle ko. Tanong mo rin sa card. So, pile 3. Magbabalik ba sila? Okay. Babalikan ka ba niya? Okay. Pile 3. The Queen of Cups in reverse. The Temperance. So, ngayon, may self-love na nangyayari sa kanya. Okay? Pwedeng Sagittarius. The Five of Swords. Magulo yung isip niya sa ngayon. Okay? Umiiwas to sa conflict ngayon. What's with the Queen of Cups in reverse? The Five of Pentacles in reverse. What's with the Temperance? The Two of Swords in reverse. May mag-unblock dito. Okay? May mag-unblock. Some of you, ini-stock ka na ng taong to ngayon. Pwede makipag-ayos to. Yeah. Five of Swords and the Sun in reverse. And the bottom of the deck. And at the bottom of the deck is the Ten of Pentacles. Okay? So, nakikita ko sa kanya, tumatiming lang. Okay? Magulo yung sitwasyon ngayon. They're like, gagawa ito ng desisyon, gagawa siya ng action, tinatry niya muna na mag-settle yung dust, no? Gagawa siya ng action kahit hindi siya sure. Okay? To commit. To commit long term for some of you. So, this is a yes. Okay? This is a yes. So, pile 3. Sagot ko is a yes. Makikipag-ayos to kahit hindi sure. Kahit magulo. Gagawin niya like ayusin niya to lahat. Okay? Gumagawa lang siya or naghihintay lang siya ng tamang timing. Okay? Sa ngayon, naglalaylo pero gagawa ng paraan in the near future. Okay? To commit. Ibigay sa'yo yung gusto mong relationship. Okay? So, there. Yun ang ating reading for you. Pile 3. Okay? So, there. Yeah. Don't forget na mag-subscribe, na mag-follow, na mag-like sa ating FB page and dito rin sa ating pong YouTube. Okay? So, thank you. Bye!